Epic Retros 87, new pickup. It's been a while, but just had to show these off. Just so happy, very blessed first and foremost with these kicks. Just always, the moment I saw them, I was like, I want these shoes. All right, so had to go to Flight Club to get them. Kind of struck out last Friday on the 26th. I was thinking that these would be in the retail. These would be in the retail stores. So I was just waiting to leave after work around 11:35 once I was done. And so I was just calling the malls, and they were like, no, we don't have them. And then I saw the sneaker app, the Nike sneaker app that said, it's available. But I was hesitant about putting my information in there because, I buy shoes and I just don't want my account to be all over the place. And especially with these hackers nowadays who have nothing but time due to the pandemic. And so I was just kind of hesitant. And so I kind of waited and I was like, nah. But anyway, make a long story short, as soon as I figured out that, this shoe is not being sold anywhere, so I have to use the sneaker app. The moment I looked at the app, it was gone. I was like, oh shoot, I had my opportunity. It was there a second ago, literally, and then it was gone. So struck out on them. But everything happened for a reason. I had an errand to run anyway. But just loving the side panels of these multicolors. It's such a nice touch. Shoelaces. Love the toe box. Love that little hemisphere, half circle. Loving that. Anyway, it's lighter than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a little heavy, but it's lighter than I thought. It's somewhat soft. I love the double swoosh. I think that has the touch of the waffle, if you will. Nike waffle, where you have that protruding midsole, and everything was twice. So I think I love that touch of it. And yeah, Cosmic Unity. Cosmic. All right, there you go. I got the inside. Yeah, pretty cool. All right. So yeah, I'm very happy with the pickup. I think this is like the best colorway. The other two colorways, one was a little loud, and I think the one that's the Cosmic Unity hippie colorway is gonna be cool. But this one is like, man, this is the best one in my opinion. This is like, you rock this with anything. So just wanted to show off not show off, but I just want to tell the world that I got them. Thank God. I'm just happy. But God is good, man. You guys have a blessed one, and hopefully you're enjoying your kicks. Take care.